Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word Barest. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She only had the barest amount of energy left after running a marathon. Barest means the absolute minimum or smallest amount of something, indicating that there is very little or almost nothing of it present in the given context. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.